The Acura L was a compact luxury sedan produced by Acura, the luxury vehicle division of Honda, specifically for the Canadian market. It was introduced in 1997 and was based on the Honda Civic platform. The Acura L was designed to offer a more affordable entry point into the Acura brand while still providing a higher level of refinement and features compared to the Civic. Generations of the Acura L. 1. First generation 1997-2000. Model years 1997-2000. Engine 1.6L inline for 127 horsepower. Transmission 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Features: the first generation Acura L was essentially a rebadged Honda Civic with added luxury features such as leather interiors, a premium sound system, and additional sound insulation for a quieter ride. 2. Second generation 2001-2005. Model years 2001-2005. Engine 1.7L inline for 127 horsepower. Transmission 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Features: the second generation L received a more powerful engine and updated styling. It also featured improved interior materials, more advanced safety features, and a more refined suspension system. 3. Third generation 2006-2011. Model years 2006-2011. Engine 1.7L inline for 130 horsepower. Transmission 5-speed manual or 5-speed automatic. Features: the third generation L was based on the 8th generation Honda Civic. It featured a more modern design, improved handling, and additional luxury features such as a navigation system, xenon headlights, and a premium audio system. Key features: luxury amenities. The Acura L was equipped with features such as leather seats, a sunroof, heated mirrors, and a premium sound system. Safety: the car included standard safety features like dual front airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS, and side impact door beams. Performance While not a performance-oriented vehicle, the Acura L offered a smooth and comfortable ride, with a focus on fuel efficiency and reliability. Discontinuation. The Acura L was discontinued after the 2011 model year and was replaced by the Acura LX, which was also based on the Honda Civic platform, but offered more advanced features and a more modern design. Legacy. The Acura L was well received in Canada for offering a balance of luxury, reliability, and affordability. It helped Acura establish a strong presence in the Canadian market and pave the way for future entry-level luxury models from the brand.